Alrighty guys, so today we're going to be taking a look at the Omega Lift equipment creeper, or the Z creeper. Part number on that is going to be 9100, and Omega Lift actually sent this out to me, so I'm going to be unboxing it, going over some specs and putting it together. So yeah, you guys can see what you guys would be expecting if you guys purchase this. So the good thing about this is there's no need for tools to actually transform it from a creeper to a shop stool. You just pull the pins, I believe, and it flops up. The frame thickness is 3/4 inch by 1 5/8 inch. Comes with fully upholstered pads, 6 3-inch oil resistant wheels, and fully bearing casters, and it is powder coated. So I'm quickly gonna just put this together because I'm gonna do a quick time lapse so I don't waste your guys' time, and then after that I'll get into a little more things. As I'm doing this, I did run into one problem. The wrench itself that is provided, it does not fit on the nuts for the casters, or it does not either fit on these as well. So for these ones, if you are going to buy this, keep in mind that you are going to need a 13mm wrench with a actually this one will fit, this should fit, but if you guys are interested, it's going to be a 14mm socket. And for the casters, you're going to need a thin wrench, a 16mm, to put it together. And there you guys have it. So it was actually very easy to put together. I think it took me like 7 minutes or so, maybe a little quicker if I had the right tools. And it is very sturdy. It seems very sturdy right now, but the thing I noticed first is that it's kind of tall. So the whole point of creepers is to slide under a car. So I feel like if you're going to be on this, you need to have your car jacked up pretty high in order to fit underneath. Quick comparison, here's the Matco creeper compared to the Omega Lift creeper, and as you can tell, the Omega Lift does stand or sit a little higher. However, that's the trade-off. Like over here there's no padding, only for your head, whereas the Omega Lift has a bunch of padding and will be comfortable to lay on over a long period of time. So I was right. All you have to do to transform this from a creeper to a Z chair, all you have to do is pull the pin. It becomes into a shop stool. So the creeper itself actually moves very nicely. I had my doubts when it was upside down, but right now it moves so smoothly. And the cushion too is very cushiony. I could see myself laying on here for a while and being really comfortable. Before you guys go, I did want to cover one thing about this product. If you guys are deciding to buy it, or you guys are thinking about buying it, this product itself is covered under a 1-year limited warranty, and it starts at the purchase date, and that covers any workmanship or material damage or breakage during a 1-year period. If you guys are having an issue with it, you guys can contact Omega Lift with their email or on their website, or you can actually give them a call, and depending on what's going on, they can actually repair it, or they'll send you a new one, depending on the situation. However, if there is 1 year, if it's past 1 year and you do have some issue with it, you can always get replacement parts on omegalift.com. All right guys, so I'm sitting on the Omega Lift, the Z Creeper right now. Definitely feels good. Casters are very nice, very smooth, and doesn't really get caught in much like the cracks, zip ties, whatnot. So definitely recommend checking this out. It is very comfortable, does ride smooth. The only issue I might have with this is the height. But yeah, that is all I have on the Omega Lift Z Creeper. Part number on that is going to be 91000. If you liked or found this video informative, please support me by smashing that like button and subscribing to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos. Also, check me out on Instagram at ToolGuyY, where I post daily. Thank you guys again for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Shoots!